na maka na Nnamdi Kanu nọ na nga, Simon Ekpa nọ na nga, na Uwazurike bịazi bịa chie prime minister na ọ chọrọ ibido Biafra again. Nonsense. Ka m ga-eme ma ibido Biafra again. For what? Enweghị dị otu ahụ. Achọrọ m peace in the southeast more than if ndị a niile na-ekwu ihe a. Maka mụnwa nọ na southeast ebe a. Majority of ndị a na-ekwu ihe a na outside. Kedu ihe a na-ebido n'isi? Kedu ihe a na-ebido n'isi taa? Ebe ala Igbo na-agbagharagara kamgbe echi. Chukwu eme ụlọ abịa ụgbọ dịka udo ọnụ. Ọgwụkwa mgbe mmadụ ga-abịa eti ọgba aghara. Isi ọ dịkwa onye aha mma? Otu a gbara Krismas a gasịrị aga n'udo, obiọma na-akpa m. Maka na Nnamdi Kanu anọ ya, Simon Ekpa anọ ya, na-abịa bido ọgba aghara. For what? Ihe anyị mere na 38, ihe anyị mere anyị bido since 7 years ago na-eme every year. Ka m release anyị dechiri m ya maka ihe m na-ekwu chọrọ ikwu ugbu a. Onye izizi bụrụ na our prime minister 7 years ago bụ onye na-akpọ Lambert Obika Izu from Olo. The second person bụ na prime minister bụ Chinedu Ama-Ifeobi from Delta State. The third person bụ onye na-akpọ Michael Mbachu from Rivers State. The fourth person bụ Mrs. Calista Amambu from Anambra State. The fifth person bụ Mrs. Precious Uwazurike from Abia State. The sixth person bụ Mrs. Virginia Ubezuonu from Nnewi, Anambra State. This seventh person bụ Kalistus Eze from Imo State here. Ndị a niile eswechara in otu a esiri mee nke Kalistus a. Enweghị dị iche anyị mere. Throughout these 7 years a na-eme ha, anyị tọpụla gọọmenti Nigeria. Ka e nwere onye si na ya nọ na be ya abịa mee ya arrest. Si ya ngwa ya kwụwa tax ma ya mee nka ma ọ mee nka. Ya ha ji iwe na-aga ido onwe anyị as an organization. Enweghị ga-anọkịta si na like m kwuru na video mere last time, si lekwa ebe a kọsụrụ agba aghara si na ndị masọ bụ kọsụrụ ya na Imo State sorry, na Southeast. So enweghị ọmụmụ ndị iru anyị na-abịa na-esoju okwu dị otu a na Nnamdi Kanu anọghị ugbu a Simon Uwazurike bulie. For what? I'm a believe for what? Ka gịnị mee? Some people like one man onye Enugu State gbara agwa ọnụ ogene ka ihe a na-akpọda man nke white bịa anụnwa ọ dịka na Germany ka obi asa atụrụ gbara izu ka asị gịnị ha na-akpọda man. Ọ sị na Uwazurike na agụụ na-agụ ya na because economic is bad na ego nwere agwụla. This man na Anambra onye Enugu na ụlọ ọmazụ ya. Somebody Obina Oshi from Germany nata arụsị gbara izu ka asị na-emu ahụ ọnụ the white na-akọ nnọọ na apụta sị na ihe m ji aji na-eme Biafra maka ego. Please, ọ dị maka nkọwara unu ọfụma. Enwe ndị ji maka masọb Biafra na-akpata ego. Ọwụ Uwazurike m gara India na 1982. 1982 m gara India was a self-sponsored student. Nne m na nna m enweghị ego ise ndị ume abroad. Ịzụbụ m ibu na Nigeria ma ọfụkwa nke ga abroad. Akụziri m nkụzi na Kano. Raise ego na Kano. From Kano ka m si gawa Lagos. From Lagos gawa India. Nne m na nna m anwa ha mgbe m gara India. Ha ji ha ego. So due to my nature, the nature of my studentship, or my scholarship, I had to start business in India. Now, so, yana kposari efendi India no na kana banaka yana imitation jewelries. Nebulata Nigeria. Ewa hana holidays me buru India. Nata Nigeria, ubechaya me weleze ego mja ku school fees in India. La chiko India. Emegide me budowe yana kpo surgical equipment. Nebulata na Onisha can agere surgical equipment from India because India will buy cargo. From there, go make pay into investment, na lands, na all these buildings. Majority of all through the process, I raised a lot of money because so they appreciate. If you don't get me you don't hear Pastor Biafra, all these houses started appreciating. So, and when you a bit of Biafra. Now, because of Ago and Agom. And the main issue in Biafra was in 1999. From 1998, we voted to Obasanjo. Obasanjo was president. Orungwana honor considered to his cabinet. Among the service chiefs, the work of Obasanjo and the 6 service chiefs, and the Constitution of Nigeria, each service chief is supposed to be from one zone, from each zone. So, people like Ekueme, Nanjo say people against it. Obasanjo say, people defeated in a war are not supposed to speak for 200 years. Jono Bonantin Dongwa, Obasanjo Kuriyasina, people defeated in a war are not supposed to speak in 200 years. Immediately, I'm saying, okay, fine. I can go Biafra, Ghana before. That was how I started Biafra on my own, in my house at Agulejika. That was how I started. I started on Biafra National as at that time. I'm in business, importation, as a lawyer for over 10 years. I had money and with assets. My return on investment for 1 year, my sub-organization cannot raise it in 10 years. I repeat, my ROI, return on investment for 1 year, my organization cannot raise it in 10 years. So if you now see Uwazurike, Macau, Ego, without being immodest, and when some investments who were tapped down my head behind, not get to us way behind, because investment my hobby, and like I say, because of Uwazurike as a self-sponsored student, man, big like I'm just from Nigeria. Every time when the holidays, my little Nigeria, they are why I'm who are large, India, Ghana, self-sponsored student. No, it'll be my land investment because of the profit with an investment. In the next 1 year, for the share, made it twice. Or more. They do my organization, not the way around. So when I say, forget about that, leave that angle. I invite you, that man, I'm a nigga I'm the question mahage, as I'll get it to something to but do not this thing. Somebody to when I blessed Dom Hana Nigeria speaks Hana Pakore. Do you understand? I invite you, come to Owerri. Come. I invite you as a brother. When we're with you, we will gather when Bian Owerri. If you are one or two of your friends only okay, Bian can take it around. And when him to enter here, they go for Gomu Mururu, India, I will go, but I'm up with them with the riches. I go and myself cannot feed me. Myself, I will go like uncle last time. Before I become myself, all on in more offices, myself, everywhere I go to long. Honestly, now I share put on Biapo. The first radio Biafra when I Washington DC or more. Even Bible time, Maryland, aside the one Biafra house in Maryland. $20,000 himself in Maryland. Don't know how they made Maryland every the money. If you was there, London. Guy me pay radio Biafra. Money, Jacob. Come back and gas people to Uwazurike go before. And when you go here to Uwazurike $1 before. Because I don't need it. And then Romia. I don't know what you know for my Makasa Koro Egoro. More I need peace in the south is more than any other person. Because I'm living here. Everyone has to come and someone say, I will write petition. Go and give the government that arrest you and put you in for life imprisonment. I don't deserve life imprisonment. What I deserve is death. Because my commander, Ifeanyi, was shot in my presence. He was full of life at Omololo. If there is or there was somebody to die, it should be me. Because he died for something he didn't know anything about. That's natural. So don't threaten me about writing petition. I won't be here. Throughout India, or no government as a CSN and as a cat, way back. I'm you won't go on your Jonato. And I see the petition. Do you think a freedom fighter who is not ready to die or go to prison for what he believes in is fake? It's fake. I'm not afraid. Do you understand it? My first casualty, Gabriel Ogu, that was shot at Naba. Okay, got declared Biafra, Naba, 2000. May 22. The boy got his flag on Westro. After I had left, Ndami acquired by I kissed his corpse. Doing sheer bands, come and make it the way here. Hapoga, give womb, just your spirit womb. I am where you understand? Uncle Korea, Gabriel Logos, come and make it the way here, Biafra, equal. The first casualty, come Kalash, was spirit group womb. Equal happen. So, he made their petition, got life imprisonment, and so what about that? But that's not the issue. The issue that I want peace. That was why, from day one, say, Biafra, non-violence, non-exodus. I don't matter. Nobody's supposed to die. And I don't want one is supposed to first, my home was Bidoria. I'm a Nanga, Nimea, or him to Bidoria. See, I said, Biabuzi, see, Buomo. Oh no, John, I told my camera Bidoria. So I Madana, Majama, Omoyana, Majamaja. One of Majamaja, Manuta. Now, one country, son of exile. You know, my now what I believe in. Then when freedom of speech, freedom of association, right to self-determination. No, I can name it through non-violence. Mboga Manga Amami Peta Pota deviated from my principle of non-violence. Bidobuente mother, Moswaibe, no matter, Scabueno mother, Gatinap on mother, on and the spirit of Biafra gave boom. But as long as no non-violence, the money will encourage to go and do any criminal act. Look, I'm not against all these people they criticize them. I love you guys. Like this woman, blessed one, great woman. I love that woman. I don't miss any of her programs because she's very objective. Very objective. I started following her. Mgbe okwu gbasara Nnamdi Kanu in Israel.
2017.
I will follow her. I follow Ijele Speaks. No matter every time when I call me and all that, I still love you. Because I share your sentiments. And when I go, obodo nna ya na-agba ọkụ ya bechi ọnụ. Ndị against what these people who are, don't worry, all these people no outside na contribute ego na-ese ndụrụ ụmụaka. Butere ha egbe, butere ha mbọ, asị ha, butere ha mkpụrụ mmiri, ha ṅụcha ha na-akọ ọsọ ọgbaghara. Ndị na abroad. These are the people I'm against. And they must desist. You must stop. If you don't stop, no problem. And then when I can't anymore here, saying I fight for Biafra, you are wasting your time. It's not Biafra you are fighting for. Because you know I fight for Biafra, only more can I fight for Biafra. But through non-violence, I get kugide, my baby, ya chuku gaze kweraye. Chuku gaze kweraye. So somebody can say, no, I don't want to hear the word Biafra. You are right. But Uwazurike wants to hear the word Biafra. You can't stop me. In as much as I can't stop you from saying that you don't want to hear about Biafra, you can't also stop me from saying I want to talk about Biafra. The only difference is that I will never engage in violence or in criminality. That's the only thing. But you can't threaten me with anything. So I am to come over room. Very well. So I could know what I see of my. Please. That's where we end for now. Thank you. Ndị be anyị ndewo. Mụnwa kwuburu na mmapụtakwa na Facebook ikwu okwu again. Mana m nọkọtara sị ka m bịa kwuo nke a ka m were kọwasịara ndị na-aghọta anụ. Maka na sị na agwa ofu onye hụrụ wụrụ ya eke. Na mmadụ na-amara kọwara ya. Ahụ na ndị mmadụ nọ na-ekwu na Facebook na maka na Nnamdi Kanu nọ na nga, Simon Ekpa nọ na nga, na Uwazurike bịa chie Prime Minister.